The SBMC Solutions Applied Materials 0190-16834 is a specialized blower used in a clean room facility to maintain positive air pressure. This blower came to us with a bad bearing in the motor, which required us to replace the motor and then fully test as shown in the video. We additionally replaced the starter cap, making this blower essentially new again. At ERD, we do perform simple repairs, such as this straightforward blower, when needed by our customer. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.